Spyder Auto's LED taillight installation guide for the Toyota Corolla. Before we get started, you'll need a 10mm socket and a panel popper. Start by opening the trunk. Remove the trunk mat. Remove the spare tire cover. Then remove the plastic retainer securing the trunk panel on each side. Now unseat and remove the center trunk panel. Remove the 3 plastic retainers securing the trunk liner. Peel back the trunk liner for access. Then remove the 3 10mm nuts securing the tail light. Now disconnect the outer tail harness. Unseat the outer tail light. Seat the Spyder outer tail light. Reinstall the 3 10mm nuts that secure the outer tail light. Reconnect the outer tail light harness. Replace the harness retainers onto the studs. Replace the trunk liner carpet. Then reinstall the 3 plastic retainers that secure the carpet. Seat the center trunk panel. Reinstall the plastic retainer that secures the center panel on each side. Replace the spare tire cover. Then reinstall the trunk mat. Remove the inner tail light cover. Remove the 2 10mm nuts that secure the inner tail light to the deck lid. Disconnect the inner tail light harness. Unseat and remove the inner tail light. Seat the Spyder inner tail light. Reinstall the 2 10mm nuts that secure the tail light to the deck lid. Reconnect the inner taillight harness. Then reinstall the inner taillight cover. Now just close the trunk and you're done. Congratulations, you've updated your Corolla with a set of LED tail lights from Spyder Auto.